else do you
I
need?
was told I was going to get a chance to speak.
Go ahead, Courtney. What's going on?
Now's your turn.
Are you gonna listen?
We're listening. Go
You
ahead.
say something wrong.
Courtney Clenny. On April 2nd, 2022, in Miami, Florida, police were called over a domestic dispute. OnlyFans model Courtney Clenny asked to be exonerated just days before her boyfriend was stabbed in their Miami condo. Sadly, only 2 days after Clenny broke down crying in front of officers, she called 911. Upon arriving at the scene, they met with Courtney.
Actually came after her and Paul was walking towards there, and then I just said, you know, enough is enough. Police need to be called. She said she don't want police to be called. But when it's in a common area and something happened like that, my safety is the residents first.
I stayed in my apartment all day. I didn't take my dogs out for like 8 hours because I was afraid that when I came down here, I was gonna be down. And when I did come down, I walked my dogs, and he was telling me he wouldn't leave me alone. I said, please just walk my dogs in peace. We're not together.
Courtney, does he have any property in your apartment?
He has so much. Can I, with respect, can I please? I just like, I just feel like I'm not being heard.
What else do you
I
need?
was told I was gonna get a chance to speak.
Go ahead, Courtney. What's going on?
Now's your turn.
Are you gonna listen?
We're listening. Go
You
ahead.
say something wrong.
All right. So what do you want to say?
I want to be like, I want to be like exonerated, I guess, of like anything wrong. And I want him, okay, the police are here. I want a restraining order against Christian Gonzalez.
Well, we don't issue those.
Because,
Those
no, I'm
to
serious.
court.
Can I do that?
You have to go to court. You have to go to
Okay,
downtown.
but how can
or
I make
petition.
myself first? Because I know him and he would do it. How can I make myself first?
You understand?
I just
Your
feel
questions
like,
are
I feel
making
like
much of an.
I am. Right now, like, I have not always been a victim, but like right now I'm a freaking victim in the situation. I'm scared to go downstairs to walk my dogs. I just walked him and I told him, you don't have a chance, and now all of a sudden this is all happening.
What's his name?
Christian Tobecha Kurobin. So like,
Christian?
please, just like don't get me kicked out of my own apartment.
He has a stab wound to his shoulder. Get him sit down. What do you mean he has a stab wound on his shoulder, ma'am? Yeah, and he's bleeding from his shoulder. God, can't get my arm. 3101. I can't feel my arm. Get up. Listen, please, God, please, get up. Please, God, get up. Is he awake?
The officers tried to ask a question, but Courtney interrupted them. She then told them that she wanted to get a restraining order on her boyfriend. She claims that she is a victim. In August, Courtney was charged with second-degree murder for Obumsali's death.